Hi guys, so the day one has almost concluded up. So I am almost couldn't standing in front of this the Department of Geoinformatics. It is clubbed with the 2-3 more departments, linguistic and other departments as well. So I'm just trying to, because I'm new here and I'm trying to find out where my guest house is. So it's not able for me to reach, but yeah, I have my the closest buddy with me. Yeah, this. So with this, it is leading me towards, yeah. So this batch is helping me to lead, yeah, target the my location and yeah. So ये बात मुझे वहाँ तक पहुँचाएगी, क्योंकि ऐसे तो मैं भूल जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है। हो so wonderful is that towards my this left side is the Department of Chemistry. You can see this is pretty amazing department. Yeah. So you might have seen from the outside, and yeah, yes, small little bit of drizzling is happening over here. छोटी छोटी बूंदाबांदी चल रही है, but I'm expecting the weather to be like it will be lower down few degrees Celsius or so. I don't know, but yeah, these are some, I don't know. Few other departments are here as well. You can have a look towards this left side. Yeah, yeah, the departments are almost concluding up. Yeah, time is around 5 o'clock. Even the University of Jammu, the department have been closed up as for now. Yeah, this is Alma Iqbal Library. This is the one of the most wonderful library. We do have a library in the Jammu University as well. It is known as Dhanvantri Library. But the synoptic view I will be showing you up. This is, let me show you a closed view of the perfect view of this library for now. Yeah, let me show you. You can see the wonderful library. It is known as Allama Iqbal Library. So for the time being, you can have a look at that. So for the Jammu guys, I will be making the precious moments for you guys. Oh, so almost guys, some students have used these raincoats as well. This small drizzling is happening, not more than that, but yeah, you can enjoy this, enjoy the moment, and yeah, these trees. Yes sir. So someone was asking me, few of people are knowing me here, and he was asking that vlog ban raha hai. So I was saying yeah. So you can see the serene beauty of this university. Yeah, have a look at that. Let me see where is, oh sorry, yeah, my room is around 300 meters straight towards this. So I'm almost, so this blog will be updated, uploaded when I will be having the high speed internet. Yeah, once I get that, I will be uploading this. But yeah, I'm quite I'm quite getting these blogs we saved on my Yeah, this whatever the device is helping me to make vlogs. I have almost freed up almost 200 GBs of storage. So especially for this Kashmir visit, and so Gandhian Bhavan has arrived almost, and that way, towards that way, I will be reaching toward my guest house. So for the time being, let me show you. Yeah, you can see this mountain peak. I don't know. I will surely let you know what these mountain peaks are called. But at the very footest of this uh, foothill of this slope is the Dal Lake. You can see, and it. I don't know about the distance, but it seems like quite 30 kilometers. Just a guess of that. So, I have almost reached towards this department. Yeah, let me explore the possibilities. So, you can see, I will show you the another department. This is Department of History. So I have showed you. This is circular. This quite wonderful building. You can see this is pretty amazing. So yeah, you can have almost. I will have to go through this straight way, and towards that I will take the left, and towards that, after that, I will be reaching my guest house. So let me show you. This is the physical. This is one of the biggest ground, and few of guys are just playing cricket over here, and they care seldom about this rainfall, weather, whatever is happening. They just love, but they just love about the craze of this cricket is so much. One of the thing I want to show you is at the during my visits, whenever I make blogs of the Jammu University, I used to show you these flowers. Guys, take a look at the flowers of this Kashmir University. I don't know. You seldom get these flowers in Jammu University, because these are, see these. You might have seen these yellow flowers. These are quite fascinating, and these are the Deodara, Cedrus Deodara, and जो roses क्या है, ये रोज़ के फ्लावर्स है जो है ना, ये भी आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. ये देखो कितने सही है. You can take the oh wow, these are pretty amazing. Yeah, this is a fence, but yeah, I can yeah, you can see. I think this is sunflowers or so, but the color is so much vibrant. Yeah, and let me see where my hostel is. Almost 97 meter ahead. Yeah, I found it. Yeah, so इनको पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं. गाइस कमेंट में बताएं. इफ एनीवन फ्रॉम कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी is watching my vlogs, you can name this tree. I don't know what this is, but yeah, these are quite fascinating. These bundles, crumples, these flowers, or these. Have a look at that. ये भी थोड़े कमज़ोर हो गए हैं, like बारिश की वजह से यार. So but चल रहे हैं. Yeah, these are coniferous kind of these trees. So much it has, but I don't know its name. What I don't know why there is so much exposure, but yeah, it is some. There are some, yeah, you can see orchards is there. small apple trees are there. I don't know why they have taken out the the flowers when the bloomed out, and some of guys are just enjoying the this rain, enjoy this beautiful weather. So there some are making reels. I don't know these reels and shorts do work or not, but yeah. So you can see. So here my guest house has arrived. Yeah. So guys, this is it for today, and I don't know when will I be able to upload this, but yeah, this is it for, and the vlog has almost 11 minutes. See you in the next vlog. Take care.